Lamborghini doesn't get enough credit for its recent cars. That's nowhere more evident than with the Huracan Performante, which is without fail not only the best Lambo ever made, but also the best car in its class. By far. With every car that goes through a garage in Brisbane, there is an audio recording yours truly makes while driving that helps me remember all the bits that were loved and disliked about a particular car, so that when it comes to writing it up at a later date, it feels fresh and accurate. With the Performante, the rather short recording was just a lot of F-words. Honestly, if Lambo had decided to call this the Huracan Holy $K Performante, it would have been right on the money. Right at this very moment, you can walk into a Lamborghini dealer and order a car that defies all that we've come to know as possible from a road-legal supercar. It has not only smashed the bar when it comes to dynamic competency, it had raised it so high that it will be interesting to see if Ferrari can match it with its speciale version of the 488 expected in the next 12 months. The basics of the powertrain are pretty much the same as the standard car, but with an extra 22 kilowatts from the 5.2-liter V10, which is built by Audi, that has been around in one shape or form since the Gallardo. That technically makes the Performante an LP640-4, but officially it's just Performante. The updated exhaust system creates an audible experience more akin to a GT3 race car than a Huracan. It's deafeningly loud in all the right ways. You cannot extract this sort of aural pleasure from any hybrid or turbocharged engine. Thank Lambo for sticking with this naturally aspirated V10 engine for that little bit longer. But even without turbos or electric motors to assist, it will go from 0-100 km/h in just 2.9 seconds, a good 300 milliseconds faster than the regular Huracan and also faster than the twin-turbo Ferrari 488 and matches the McLaren 720S. That improvement in acceleration is due to an improved DOT system that sees the Performante push more power to the front for takeoff than before. Lamborghini smashed the Nürburgring lap record with the Performante when the car was released last year. It was subsequently beaten by the Porsche 911 GT2 RS, which is at least a good $175K more expensive. But it remains not only quicker than anything Ferrari or McLaren has ever thrown around the ring, but it's also the fastest naturally aspirated car to have ever graced the green hell.